Top 10 things to do in Marmaris, Turkey. Nestled along Turkey's dazzling Turquoise Coast, Marmaris is where natural splendor, vibrant culture, and rich history converge in perfect harmony. Whether you're seeking thrilling adventures, tranquil relaxation, or a delightful blend of both, this enchanting coastal gem promises unforgettable experiences and cherished memories at every turn. With its Mediterranean charm and Turkish hospitality, Marmaris captivates visitors from around the globe. From secluded coves and ancient ruins to lively bazaars and scenic boat tours, Marmaris invites you to explore its many treasures throughout the year. In this comprehensive guide, we'll count down the 10 best things to do in Marmaris, showcasing the perfect blend of nature, heritage, and coastal charm that makes this destination truly special. Each attraction offers its own unique perspective on this Turkish paradise. 10th step, back in time, in Marmaris Old Town and Castle. More than just a beach destination, Marmaris is deeply steeped in fascinating history. Majestically perched above the harbour, Marmaris Castle offers breathtaking panoramic views and an immersive journey into the past. Surrounded by enchanting cobblestone alleys and pristine whitewashed houses draped in vibrant bougainvillea, the old town feels like stepping through a portal into a different era, where time seems to slow down and every corner tells a story. Built during the glorious Ottoman era and once strategically used by Sultan Süleyman the Magnificent during his historic campaign against Rhodes, the castle now houses a small but impressive museum with carefully curated regional artifacts. A visit here offers both a peaceful retreat from modern life and an enriching cultural experience, conveniently located just steps away from the bustling marina. The castle's ancient walls hold centuries of stories, while its grounds provide perfect photo opportunities. 9. Unwind on Marmaris Beach. Marmaris Beach is the perfect escape for sun-seekers and beach enthusiasts of all ages. Golden sands that stretch as far as the eye can see, calm turquoise waters that gently lap the shore, and a vibrant promenade teeming with life set the scene for a truly relaxing day. Swim in the crystal-clear Mediterranean, try your hand at paddleboarding, or simply stretch out under a colorful parasol while soaking in stunning views of the picturesque bay and distant hills covered in pine forests. Charming beachfront cafes serve refreshing drinks and authentic Turkish snacks, perfect for a leisurely seaside lunch while watching the world go by. As the sun begins its descent, the skies transform into a canvas of pink and gold hues, adding an extra touch of magic to the laid-back beach vibe that Marmaris is famous for. 8. Make a splash at Atlantis Water Park, ideal for families and thrill-seekers alike. Atlantis Water Park is Marmaris's premier spot for water-filled fun and excitement. Strategically located right on the seafront, it features an impressive array of adrenaline-pumping slides like the heart-stopping Kamikaze, mysterious black hole, and exhilarating space bowl, along with gentle pools and specially designed play areas for younger visitors. When it's time to take a break and relax, guests can enjoy exclusive access to the private beach, complete with free lounges and umbrellas. An on-site restaurant serving both local and international cuisine and complimentary transportation from various points around town make this a hassle-free and exciting day out for visitors of all ages. 7. Set sail on a Marmaris boat tour cruise through crystal-clear waters and discover hidden coves and untouched bays on an unforgettable Marmaris sailing tour. Departing from the modern marina, these full-day trips take you to secluded swim spots, dramatic limestone cliffs, and sun-drenched beaches only accessible by boat. Enjoy freshly prepared meals on board, featuring authentic Turkish delicacies and fresh Mediterranean seafood, while the skilled crew ensures your comfort throughout the journey. Dive into the warm, crystal-clear sea at carefully selected spots, where the water's perfect temperature and exceptional visibility create ideal conditions for swimming and snorkeling among colorful marine life. Let the gentle sea breeze guide you through breathtaking scenery, from dramatic coastal cliffs and hidden caves to pristine beaches and charming fishing villages that dot the shoreline. It's the ultimate way to unwind and connect with Turkey's coastal beauty, creating memories that will last a lifetime. 6. Enjoy a sunset stroll at Marmaris Marina. For a more relaxed experience, take a scenic walk along the stylish Marmaris Marina, where modern luxury meets traditional Mediterranean charm. Luxury yachts bob gracefully in the calm waters, while elegant cafes and sophisticated seafood restaurants line the pristine promenade, offering both local and international cuisine. Browse local boutiques and artisan stalls, offering handmade jewelry crafted by skilled local artisans, nautical souvenirs that capture the essence of maritime life, and traditional Turkish sweets that tempt passers-by with their aromatic displays. As dusk falls, the harbour comes alive with soft music floating from waterfront venues, twinkling lights reflecting off the gentle waves, and warm golden skies painting a spectacular canvas overhead. A perfect ending to a Mediterranean day that captures the essence of coastal living. 5. Wander through Marmaris's colourful markets. Step into a vibrant world of Turkish markets, where the rich scents of exotic spices and the animated sounds of friendly bargaining fill the air with energy and excitement. Explore countless stalls brimming with fine leather goods, intricately designed ceramics, hand-woven textiles in brilliant colors, and locally made soaps infused with natural ingredients. The bustling Grand Bazaar stands as the beating heart of this dynamic shopping scene, where every corner reveals new treasures waiting to be discovered. Be sure to haggle with the friendly merchants. It's not just about getting a better price, it's part of the fun and cultural experience. From unique souvenirs to authentic Turkish gifts, this immersive marketplace offers a wonderful way to experience local culture and appreciate generations of craftsmanship. 4. Live the adventure on a pirate boat trip. Embark on an exciting pirate boat cruise for a day of family-friendly adventure that brings maritime legends to life. Aboard a meticulously themed ship with towering sails and authentic wooden decks, you'll sail to beautiful secluded bays for swimming and sunbathing, all while enjoying entertaining pirate shows, high-energy foam parties, and engaging on-deck games that delight visitors of all ages. With upbeat music creating a festive atmosphere, spontaneous dancing breaking out on deck, delicious freshly prepared onboard meals featuring local specialties, and crystal-clear waters inviting you for refreshing dips. This unique excursion perfectly combines fun and fantasy for an unforgettable experience on the Mediterranean Sea. 3. Escape to Iztuzu Beach, Turtle Beach, located near the charming town of Dalyan and just under 2 hours from Marmaris. Iztuzu Beach is a protected stretch of pristine white sand and impossibly clear blue water. Known worldwide as a crucial nesting site for endangered loggerhead turtles, significant portions of the beach are carefully preserved to protect these magnificent creatures and their natural habitat. Quiet, refreshingly undeveloped, and pristine in its natural beauty, this spectacular 5-kilometer beach offers peaceful swimming and sunbathing in a truly unspoiled setting. Combine your visit with a scenic boat ride along the winding Dalyan River for a perfect eco-friendly day trip that showcases the region's natural wonders. 2. Discover the charm of Selimiye village. About 45 kilometers from Marmaris lies the tranquil village of Selimiye, a hidden gem where life moves at its own peaceful pace and nature takes center stage in all its glory. With a picturesque harbor reflecting colorful fishing boats, calm turquoise waters perfect for swimming, and charming stone-paved streets lined with cascading bougainvillea, Selimiye is ideal for a relaxing getaway. Enjoy fresh seafood at family-run taverns, where generations of local chefs prepare traditional recipes passed down through the ages, serving up the day's catch with warm hospitality and authentic Turkish flair. Browse through charming local artisan shops, showcasing handcrafted treasures, from intricately designed ceramics and handwoven textiles to unique jewelry pieces that tell stories of local craftsmanship. Watch skilled fishermen methodically mend their nets by the shore, a timeless scene that has played out along these coasts for centuries, offering glimpses into the sustainable fishing practices that have sustained these communities for generations. It's a window into authentic coastal Turkish life, unhurried, warm, and unforgettable. 1. Explore the ancient city of Kaunos. For history lovers, Kaunos is a must-see. Just outside Dalyan, this 3,000-year-old archaeological site offers a captivating look into ancient Carian, Roman, and Byzantine civilizations. The magnificent Kaunos rock tombs, masterfully carved high into the limestone cliffs, stand as testament to ancient architectural brilliance, while the remarkably well-preserved theatre, with its stunning acoustics and sweeping views of the verdant wetlands, transports visitors back through millennia. Wander through the extensive ruins of ornate temples, sophisticated Roman baths, and early Byzantine churches, each telling stories of civilizations past. Take in breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding delta, where the meandering river meets the Mediterranean. With minimal crowds and immense historical significance, Kaunos offers a deeply moving journey through time. Finally, whether you're wandering ancient ruins, swimming in secret coves, or enjoying a drink at sunset, Marmaris offers a perfect balance of relaxation, adventure, and cultural discovery. These top 10 experiences reveal just a taste of what makes this Turkish Riviera destination so extraordinary.